What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to sign out of the Gmail app. The steps to follow will work for both iOS and Android phones. Unlike some apps, Gmail doesn't have a direct sign out button. Instead, you either remove the account from your device or temporarily disable it. To get started, open the Gmail app on your device. In the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Manage Accounts on this device. This will take you to a page showing all the accounts currently signed in to your Gmail app. If you want to completely sign out of an account, find it in the list and tap Remove from this device below it. Confirm the action and the account will be logged out from Gmail on your phone. Keep in mind that this won't delete the account itself, only its access from your Gmail app. However, if you don't want to remove the account but just stop receiving emails from it temporarily, you can toggle it off instead. This will disable email syncing for that account while keeping all your data intact. You won't receive new emails, but you can always turn it back on when needed. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.